Hello everyone. How to get admission in CMC Ludhiana? This is the question we are going to find answer in this video. We are going to look at some introduction about the college. We are going to look at the number of seats available in CMC Ludhiana for MBBS study. We are going to look at the various category of seats available for MBBS aspirants. And under each category, what are the number of seats? What are the documents you need to supply? And where do you need to apply for each of the category of seats? And we are also going to look at whether there is any kind of service liability and how Christian candidates have special admission procedures in CMC Ludhiana. We are going to look at the fee structure in CMC Ludhiana. So just stay with me so that we can cover all the details about the college and its admission procedure. So this video is done based on the request from Sudha Pinky, who asked, please give information about Ludhiana CMC Punjab. I'm waiting for your update. And also subsequently, Kotiswara Donipudi also has asked, can he upload various Christian medical colleges offer to open state candidates for MBBS admission? So I hope Sudha Pinky and Kotiswara, probably this video will cover your expectations. I am Manikavel Arumugam. I am a blogger and I am following medical admissions in India for the past few years. You can follow me on social media at the user ID JustGetMBBS. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I post new videos. So Christian Medical College, Ludhiana is a Christian educational and research institution established, administered and maintained by the Christian Medical College Ludhiana Society of Christian Churches and Christian Agencies. This college is affiliated to the Baba Farid University of Health Sciences, Punjab, or BFUHS in short. This college is ranked by Outlook India at number 13. Careers 360 has placed it at number 14 in India. The Week Hansa Research has found it at number 24. And India Today has given it a ranking of 27 across India. So the number of seats in CMC Ludhiana is 75. So totally we have 75 seats, which are offered under 5 different categories. And in this video, we are going to look at each and every category, the number of seats offered, and the details of each and every category we are going to look at. Category 1, which is open general, 12 seats are offered under this category. Out of the 12 seats, 8 seats are reserved only for Punjab state candidates. So you should be having a domicile of Punjab state to apply for this category. Whereas under the same category 1, 4 seats are allocated for all India candidates. So anybody, as long as you have qualified NEET, you can apply for this category. Any candidate, irrespective of religion, caste or domicile, as long as you are an Indian national, you can apply under this category for the 4 seats. So the 12 seats, 8 seats go to Punjab state candidates and 4 seats are allocated for all India candidates. For this category, you do not need to apply to CMC Ludhiana. You have to apply directly to Baba Farid University of Health Sciences. So you need only one application. Now let us look at the category 2, which is Christian minority with service commitment. So there are about 48 seats under this category. And there are several subcategories under category 2. So category 2A is for Punjab candidates, that is candidates from Punjab state. Category 2B is for candidates from mainly southern states, that is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana. Category 2C is for candidates from Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Rajasthan, and Lakshadweep. Category 2D is for candidates from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Category 2E is for candidates from the states Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. Category 2F is for candidates from Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, and Chandigarh. And finally, category 2G is for service commitment with CMC Ludhiana itself and its outreach centers. So 2G is a special one, is for directly with CMC Ludhiana. Now let's look at the breakdown of seats. That is, we have 48 seats under category 2. Let's see how it is broken down for individual subcategories. So category 2A, which is mainly for Punjab candidates, has 15 seats reserved. Now from category 2B to category 2F, each category has 6 seats each. That is, category 2B has 6 seats, category 2C has 6 seats, and so on. And finally, category 2G has 3 seats. So that makes up 48 seats under category 2, which is for Christian minority candidates with service commitment. Candidates with service commitment will serve in the mission hospitals of the CMC Ludhiana Society for a minimum period of 2 years for MBBS and 1 year for BDS. So anybody who is applying under category 2 has to serve for 2 years for MBBS study. Bible test. So any Christian candidate who is applying under category 2 has to go through a Bible test, and they have to pass the Bible test. But of course, Bible test marks are not considered for merit preparation. So all you need to do is you have to pass the Bible test, and the ranking will always be based on the NEET score. Of course, if you fail the Bible test, you will not be considered under category 2. You cannot qualify under the Christian minority candidate, but you will be considered under category 1. The Bible test will be held at CMC Ludhiana just 1 day prior to the physical verification of documents at BFUHS Faridkot. So there will be a notification, and so it will happen just before the day. So you can go attend the Bible test, and the following day you can go for verification of documents at the university. The details of Bible test. There will be 50 questions based on facts from the Holy Bible. All of them will be multiple choice questions with 3 choices each. There is 3 choices for each question. It will be conducted only in English language. No negative marking for wrong answers. The passing score is 40%. So you have to score at least 40% to qualify under category 2. If you score anything less than 40% in the Bible test, you can only compete as an open category candidate. Christian candidates applying under category 2 should clearly indicate this in the application form and correctly fill the domicile field. Of course, Christian candidates applying under category 2 have to submit 2 applications. One to Baba Farid University. The second, they have to submit another application to CMC Ludhiana. So only category 2 candidates needs to submit additional application to CMC Ludhiana. Every other candidate have to apply only to Baba Farid University. The application has to be endorsed by one of the member bodies of the CMC Ludhiana Society. Candidates to apply to the respective member body with the format available with them. Okay, the format is available with the respective bodies, and submit a letter of service commitment issued by the member body to the registrar of CMC Ludhiana. So you have to get this from the member body who is sponsoring you. Now let's look at the various bodies or churches who can sponsor the candidates. Synodical Board of Health Services, Church of North India, located in New Delhi. Church of South India, located in Chennai. Council of Baptist Churches in Northeast India, located in Guwahati. Council of Medical Work Methodist Church in India, located at Bidar, Karnataka. Diocese of Amritsar. Diocese of Chandigarh, Ludhiana. Eastern Regional Board of Health Services, CNI, located at Odisha. Emmanuel Hospital Association, located in New Delhi. Evangelical Lutheran Church in Madhya Pradesh. Gujarat Christian Service Society, located in Ahmedabad. We have Jaipur Evangelical Lutheran Church, located in Orissa. Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church, Catholicate of the East, located in Kerala. Marthoma Syrian Church of Malabar, located in New Delhi. Mennonite Medical Board, located at Damtari, Chhattisgarh. Methodist Church in India, located at Bidar, Karnataka. Methodist Health Services Agra Conference, located in Bidar, Karnataka. Miraj Medical Center, located at Sangli, I think it's Maharashtra. Mizoram Presbyterian Church Synod, located in Mizoram. Northern India Methodist Health Services, located in Bidar, Karnataka. Pune Christian Medical College, located in Jalna. Salvation Army, located in Delhi. And we have Seventh-day Adventist Church, located in Hosur, Tamil Nadu. St. Stephen's Hospital, located in Delhi. The Leprosy Mission, New Delhi. United Evangelical Lutheran Churches in India, located in Chennai. UP Regional Board of Health Services, located in Etah. I'm not sure which state is this. Western Regional Board of Health Services, Jalna. And then we have finally for category 2G, CMC Ludhiana themselves. Okay, so these are the 28 bodies or churches that are eligible to sponsor candidates. So if you are interested to get a sponsorship, you need to approach any of these organizations. So the documents to be submitted along with the application for category 2. Okay, so these documents you need to submit to CMC Ludhiana. Baptism certificate, letter from the pastor in charge of the church regarding your church membership with dates, from which date to which date you are a member of that church. Letter of service commitment from body or church of the CMC Ludhiana Society, signed by the authorized signatory only. So just now I have shown you the list of organizations that can sponsor you. So you have to get a letter of service commitment from one of them. Sworn affidavit of service duly notarized. Basically, this is an undertaking to tell CMC Ludhiana that you are ready to do the service liability. That is, you are ready to commit for the 2 years service and you have no objection while you are submitting the application. Of course, you need to enter into a bond when you are going for the admission, but right now you are just giving an undertaking that you are ready to execute the bond. Finally, you also need to have domicile certificate because different subcategories of category 2 needs you to be from a specific state. So that's why you need to provide a domicile certificate. So you should fulfill domicile of 5 years in the state from which domicile is being claimed. For example, if you are claiming Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh or Karnataka, you should have at least lived 5 years in the state and you should be able to provide proof for that. You should submit a recently issued certificate of residence or domicile duly certified by competent authority. So for Punjab, this condition may be slightly different. You look at what is the domicile conditions for Punjab. Okay, so Punjab may not be this just 5 years. Look at what is the domicile criteria for Punjab candidates. Okay, this is the prescribed format for letter from the pastor in charge. This is mainly for church membership. This is the important thing. This is to certify that as per our church records, so and so is a member of our church from this date till this date. So this is what is important. So you need to get this church membership certificate using this format. The affidavit for service. So this is basically an undertaking. So you can see here, you are saying that in the event I secure admission, I undertake to serve the institution or hospital of the Christian Medical College Ludhiana Society for the period as advised on completion of the course. So you are basically undertaking that you are ready to do the service commitment. So category 3, this is basically only for Punjab candidates and the candidate should be belonging to SC/ST community. So they can directly apply to Baba Farid University of Health Sciences. They do not need to apply to CMC Ludhiana. There are 3 seats reserved for this category. Category 4 is for backward community or other backward community candidates belonging to Punjab state. So these candidates also can directly apply to the university. They do not need to apply to CMC Ludhiana. And there is only 1 seat reserved under the category. Finally, category 5, which is reserved for NRI, that is non-resident Indian candidates. And this category again is open for all India candidates. Anybody across India can apply as long as they fulfill the conditions for NRI. These candidates also can directly apply to the university and there are 11 seats available. So it's a good opportunity for NRI candidates. There are many seats available under this category. Where to submit the application? As I told you, all candidates should apply to Baba Farid University of Health Sciences, who is the counseling authority for the state admission. So every candidate, whether you are category 1, category 2, category 3, 4, 5, all of them have to submit the application, including the Christian candidate should submit the application to the university. In addition, this second condition applies only to category 2 candidates, that is the Christian candidates who are applying under the category Christian minority with service commitment. They must apply also to CMC Ludhiana. In addition to the application to the university, they also have to submit an application to CMC Ludhiana. When they are applying, they should also submit a copy of the application that they have applied to the university. And this application, that is the application to CMC, should be submitted to the registrar CMC along with the necessary documents which I have shown in the previous slide. Now, what is the fee structure? The first year fee is 6,60,000. This is based on the notification 2019. Okay, I'm not sure what is going to be the fee structure for 2020, but this gives you roughly an idea. Fee for subsequent years will be as per Punjab government notification. So I will show you what is a Punjab government notification. Educational subsidy may be available for students with service commitment. So those applying under category 2 may get some subsidy, but they have to submit additional documents like proof of income of parents, IT returns, a salary certificate, form 16, all those. The hostel fee will be 28,000 per year, but this excludes electricity charges and mess charges. Now let's look at the government notification which talks about the tuition fee for CMC Ludhiana. Of course, I have shown you in the previous slide, but this is the government notification. So you can see here for private institutions affiliated, that is self-financing colleges, including CMC Ludhiana. If you are applying under any category, whether it could be management quota, open quota, minority quota, any category you are applying, the first year fees is 6,60,000. But you need to take note that the tuition fee will increase at 10% every year. Since you are paying 6,60,000 in the first year, the second year you will be paying another 10% increment. That is, you will be paying an additional 66,000. So the second year fee will be 7,26,000. So similarly, every year the fees is expected to increase. So third year it will be close to 8 lakhs. And then the fourth year it will be close to about 8,75,000, right? So you need to be prepared that there is going to be an increase of 10% every year. If you are an NRI, the fees is about 1,10,000 US dollars. I'm not sure, that could be coming close to about 80 lakhs, 80 plus lakhs for the entire course. Okay, so the NRI fees of 1,10,000 US dollar, I believe is for the annual fees, though it's not very clearly stated here, but I believe it's for the annual fees. So that's reasonable for an NRI candidate, because if you are going to deemed universities, normally the deemed universities are charging close to about 200,000 US dollars plus. So I think it's reasonable for an NRI candidate of 1,10,000 US dollars. So this Punjab government notification was dated 6 June 2019. In case if there is any update, they will be publishing in 2020. So you need to follow up with the Baba Farid University notifications, so that in case if there is any change in the fee structure, they will be notifying you. But as of now, it is 6,60,000 for Indian candidates with a 10% increase every year. Whereas for NRI candidates, it's 110,000 US dollars for the entire course. The source of information for this entire video is taken from CMC Ludhiana's Information Bulletin 2019. So none of this information is directly by me. It's all taken from the 2019 Information Bulletin. So there could be some changes in 2020. So all the information I have provided in this video, please consider as information for yourself getting prepared. So that's all, right? So when the 2020 notification comes out, you need to read it closely and then understand if there is any change that is going to happen. Okay, the number of seats or the distribution might slightly change, the requirements, the documents to be submitted might change. We are not sure, but this is typically what you need to know, right? So based on 2019, all the information are correct. So I hope this video gives you a complete information about CMC Ludhiana. One thing I have not covered is the cutoff marks for CMC Ludhiana. I have not covered. So probably I will try to collect the information and then try to do another video. Do you have any other questions? If you have any other questions, please post it in the comments below. If you have any other specific questions regarding any other college, please also post in the comments. I will try to address them as far as possible. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please click the like button, share this video to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I see you soon in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.